Barcelona airport, time to fly to Prague. Transport is cheap and you can buy a ticket for like €1.60. I love those trains. This looks like from a movie scene. So 2-hour flights and I'm a different currency, different buildings. That's the magic of Europe and traveling here. What I'm doing in France, Eiffel Tower? Okay, I walked an hour to just tell that joke, which is not even funny. Haha. This is Prague. In front of me there is a huge wall from Barcelona to beautiful Prague. Time to eat some mandarins. Prague is also a must-have visit. And for me, the Czech language sounds really funny. I don't even listen to music, I just listen to some Czech people talk. That's what Prague is about. Let's enjoy this town. On the left you have this like very old famous clock. They also have Christmas market. Let's check that out. Finally. Pretty similar to Kraków actually. There is like you have this church, Christmas market in the middle. Of course Kraków is better. Oh my god. Beautiful. Of course I'm not gonna spend money. Who do you think I am? I'm gonna go to Lidl and buy eggs later. Welcome to my channel. Saving money to travel more, I mean to buy new camera. I just love doing this, hunting for a beautiful shots and putting my tripod and filming this. Let's cook something with this view. Quality is so good right now in iPhone at the daylight. I will feel more professional with better equipment. Beautiful place, but I'm so tired. I slept maybe 2 hours. Now I'm gonna go to hostel. So many people. I see Starbucks everywhere in Prague. Maybe they rent and just sell overpriced coffee. Why people seem to like this? If you can save on coffee, you can compound effect to be a millionaire when you're 60 years old. S-Class, that's what I like to see. Czech people really, if they have money, they buy expensive cars. Random question, why everyone is wearing North Face jackets? And this weather, sun. I always have nothing interesting to say. My hostels have €17, I think. Recommendation, if you want to know more about Prague, check out Honest Guide on YouTube. Now, they really take YouTube seriously when they have idea, not like random moments like me. Lamborus, love it. I told you, Czech people casually walking to my hostel in this building. Wow. Come on, Prague, it's so beautiful. This is wow. Let's wait for a tram. That's gonna be a good shot. That's cinema. Oh yeah, $1 million shot. Welcome to Prague. Bought this for 100 Czech thing. She smiled to me, so I had to buy it. It's really good. I think it's pure sugar and carbs. Of course, I'm working out every day. Habit, no decision. I'm here, I'm working out. Bam. Just had a free dinner in hostel, chat with people. See you in some beautiful architectural place. That's a random street workout park close to my hostel. Be right back. Night walk, no clubs, just filming. Before I would probably spend all night in the club. Hey, that looks stunning. It might be cringe, but I never saw Prime in my life. 100 crowns. It's crazy expensive. Imagine the drone shots from here, but unfortunately I'm not gonna risk. Oh my god, Prague, it's so beautiful. Dude, I'm waving with my hand right now. Can you see me? I left my phone. This town is amazing. Hi, I'm here, I'm here. Don't worry, people are so polite. tomorrow, Poland, Gdańsk. I'm trying to film beautiful scenes. Place to finish a video. That was Prague. Hope you enjoyed it.